this man. Very lousy fella. I don't know how how did you even join Speak High School? Wake up and I said, put on and leave this place. I don't want you to anger me. Maybe you are not even hearing me while I talk to you. I should just call me Sitakuru. Stop. And then you will know that I'm serious. Please put on and leave this place. I'm giving you 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. I want you out of this place. What are you looking for now?
Where's my?
Are you asking me your shoe? Do I look like the shoe keeper? I'm the time keeper. Please put on and leave this place. How did this man join Speak High School? I thought we are very, very principled students. At 4 we already dressed, ready to go to class. Look at this fella. Please, put on and leave. Or I'm just going to make you more further belongers in this school. That's when you will get to... Look at his shirt. I think it even smells. Look. Jesus Christ. Put it on and go to class. I don't have time to wait for you. Put it on. What is he doing? What are you doing? Young man. You are washing your shirt at 5 a.m. Are you washing your shirt at 5 a.m.? Really? How did you come to be so lousy? How did he come to be so lousy? Okay, you know what? I'm tired of waiting for you. This is what we are going to do. Put your shirt on. Put the shirt on. Hurry up. Put the shirt on and leave this place. Go to... I think I should just... Where are you going? Disappear! Jesus Christ. How did we recruit very lousy fellas? Kusukulu kusoma kusukulu wali ebisanyusa waliyo kubala n'okuwandiika oyo omulenzi tamanyi kuwandiika newasiba empale ze tezinyuma wololo 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 kera kumacha nenaba entumbwe nengenda kusukulu kusoma kusukulu waliyo ebisanyusa waliyo okubala n'okuwandiika oyo omulenzi tamanyi kuwandiika. What are you still doing here at 6? It is 6.
It is 6.
And you've just woken up. Moreover, you are not even putting on. Damn!
Huh?
Damn! I'm talking to you and you're walking away. Jesus Christ, help me. Damn! Where are you supposed to be at this time?
Busy.
Damn! Damn! Are you even listening to me? I'm asking you sensible questions and you are replying stupidly. Damn!
Huh?
I want you out in the next 1 minute.
Yes.
1 minute.
Yes.
And you're just showering. You are showering like a builder. At this time, how did you join this school?
Huh?
But in Zambia, what problem do you have?
Busy.
Okay, I know that is your problem, but in Zambia, I want you out of this place.
Yes.
Zambia, I can't take this any longer. You are becoming a fool I'm talking to you sensibly, and you are replying like a fool.
Okay.
You know what? Damn it, I want you out of this place right now.
Yes.
Leave this place!
Okay.
Damn you! So you thought I was joking when I said you should leave, eh? Talking to me like a fool. Who is the fool now? Damn you! I want you out of this place. I say that you want you out of this place.
Water.
Water?
Water here. Water.
Classroom.
Water. My eyes.
Classroom. Come, you think I'm stupid?
Water. Water.
Water?
Basin. Water.
Damn you. You thought I was stupid while I was talking to you, eh? That's your medicine. Out of this place!
Water. Water. Sandimeza kitawero.
Gambia, did you just speak vernacular?
Sandimeza kitawero. My eyes. Water.
It's you.
Yes, sir.
Today you are not escaping me. Today I have caught you with my own ears. Today, no denying. No. Today, no.
Denying.
Today, no.
Denying.
Today I caught you. Do you have the list of language sinners and you add this lumpen?
I gave it to a speech prefect, sir.
Damn.
Yes, sir.
Every day, they tell me that you speak vernacular. And when I ask you, you deny. You say they lie. And Tambia, you're so good at denying. Tambia, you are good at denying. But today I've caught you with my own ears. Today, no.
Denying.
Today, no.
Denying.
Today, no.
Denying.
Sir, what have I done?
Tambia, why? Haven't you just spoken vernacular? Are you denying? Are you denying? Haven't you said Gwe? Haven't you said Gwe?
Sir, I'm sorry.
But damn, if you do not speak English, how will you pass in class?
How?
And if you cannot pass in class, how will you pass exams?
I'm sorry, sir.
And if you cannot pass exams, who will employ you in the future? The reason your parents brought you to this school is so that we can remove that village in your head out of you and make you civilized. Damn you.
Yes,
you
sir.
have to speak English all the time. All the
Time.
All the
Time.
Yeah. All the
Time.
You.
Yes,
Run to my office.
Yes.
Damn.
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Sir.
Go to my office, check under the table. You will see my favorite stick and bring it right now.
Yes, sir.
Damn.
Yes, sir.
The reason I am going to give you 20 strokes of that cane is not because I am a bad person. No. No. It is because I want to remove the village in your head out of you.
Sir, I'm sorry.
It is why your parents brought you to this school. Okay, Dambia, lie down.
Sir, I'm sorry.
Lie down! You're sorry? This is not a negotiation. You have broken Article 23 of our school rules and regulations. Yes. That is the stick I was talking about. Flexible as I like it. Dambia, go down.
I am sorry, sir.
Go down! I have no time.
Sir, I'm sorry.
And if you touch there, I will not count it.
Forgive me.
Don't
sir.
look at me. Don't look at me.
Bam sakata.
Dambia,
Sakata.
stop
Sakata chiboko na.
speaking! Vernacular!
Sakata. Sakata. Sakata chiboko na.
Uganda!
Sakata.
What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Go back down. Go back down. Go back. Don't look at me. Go back down.
Sakata chiroko nazimatira. Sakata. Sakata. Sakata chiroko nazimatira.
Saya musore.
What did I tell you? What? Do I look like your parents? Do I look like your parents? Come back there, don't look at me. I'm telling you. Stop! Thinking! Let Ten people.
Yes, sir.
I want you to call for an emergency assembly right now, right away.
This business of Vernacular has to stop. Assembly time, please.
Assembly time. Please, let's go to the assembly ground. It is a please, hold on. The assembly ground is here. Please, let's move to the assembly ground. It is here. Head to the assembly ground right now. Please go to the assembly ground. Hurry up. It is hard. Do you know Mr. Full Stop? You people know Mr. Full Stop when he says emergency. It is emergency. Hurry up. Please, hurry up. Please, hurry up. Move to the assembly ground. Assembly ground. Let's go to the
Check your
please. What is wrong with you? Did you hear me ring the bell? Did you hear me call for an emergency assembly? What? Kneel down. Kneel down. Hurry up. Kneel down. Tell me, you are still in the dormitory. You are still on the compound. You also still in the toilet? What is wrong with you? Pick up this rubbish and you head it to the assembly. Hurry up! Pick the rubbish and rush to the assembly ground. What is wrong with this man? I say that. I say the assembly ground. This is so loud. This is so slow. How did you even join this school? I'm tired of pushing you around.
We are women and men of Uganda, Amachingaro, the part of education, singing and dancing with joy, together uniting for a better Uganda. We are women and men of Uganda, Amachingaro, the part of education.
Wait. They are singing the school national anthem and you are seated? Stand up! Prefect, do your job. Anyone with long hair, with brown shoes, anyone without a belt, bring them here, right away.
Sir.
What is it?
There is one person here.
Hey.
She's in open shoes or in school uniform.
Open shoes on school? Let me see where are you?
Here.
Come.
What is he moving from?
Come here. You want to fight me? Junior, I can call your parents right now. Come here. Come here. You, if you don't speak high school, we do not allow you to wear your open shoes. Come and stand here.
What is school uniform?
Stand there. Stand there. Let the whole world see you.
Sir.
Yes?
No names.
What? Are we raising daredevils here? Let me see.
No names.
Come and stand here. I want you to show them. I want the whole world to see you.
Sir.
Yes?
This is the boy we've been looking for.
Hey.
He did not clean the toilet.
It was you. You left the toilet smell. Come. Kneel there. Kneel down. You want to fight me? Kneel down. Julia can call your parents right now. Kneel down right now.
Sir, the last one here.
Hey.
She has no belt. On school uniform.
You are wearing our uniform without a belt. Come here. Stand here so that you can model for the whole world to see how you don't have a belt. Stand there. Now, the rest of you, we are going to sing the school national anthem together, all right?
All right.
1, 2, 3, we go.
Young women and men of Uganda are marching along, the path of education, singing and dancing with joy, together uniting for a better Uganda.
Speech prefect, come and take over the assembly as I inspect. Wait, has Dambia sung the school anthem?
No, sir.
Dambia,
Yes, sir.
sing the school anthem, hurry up!
We younger we are, and the men of Uganda, we are marching along. The path of education, and the singing, and the jumping together. United, a better Uganda.
School, do you all want to end up like Dambia? No! Do you want to end up like Dambia? No, Mr. Fullstop. I told you, don't call me Mr. Fullstop. If I get you calling me Mr. Fullstop, you will see. Don't call me Mr. Fullstop. Full stop! Full stop! Speech prefect,
Yes, sir.
come and take over the assembly.
Mr. Head Teacher,
Yes.
can these ones just go back?
Yes, they can sit. But make sure you come to my office after assembly.
You can take your seats. Good morning, school.
Good morning.
Good morning, school.
Good morning, speech prefect.
That sounds much like you had breakfast this morning. So, when you were admitted into John Speak High School, the school rules and regulation list was the second below your admission form. Isn't that it? And the first school rule stated, no speaking vernacular in the school premises. But for the past couple of months, you have persistent and consistently violated the first school rule and regulation. And so because you think you're too stubborn that we cannot notice, we are sorry. Because today, the vernacular speech defaulters are going to face their demands. And if you know you have been speaking vernacular, or you have a friend who has been speaking vernacular, today your 40 days are over. You are going to be severely punished for the breach of the first most important and essential school rule and regulation. At this point in time, I'm going to invite the head teacher to give us a communication regarding this specific issue. Clap! No, it is. Clap until the head teacher takes.
Good morning, school.
Good morning, Mr.
The speech prefect has already talked about it. Last week, I also touched on it. Now this week, I shall emphasize it. Vernacular speaking at John Speak High School is forbidden. Full stop! Full stop! Article 23 of our rules and regulations is very clear. Your local languages belong to your villages, not among the civilized here. Full
Stop.
Full
Stop.
In this school, we only allow you to speak English and German and French and Chinese. I said, in this school, we only allow you to speak English and German and French and Chinese. Article 28 of our rules and regulations makes it very clear. If you are caught speaking vernacular, you shall be punished. Now, I called this emergency assembly because this villager, Dambia, stand up. I want the whole school to see the village in your head. Get where your shirt. Hurry up. Zinjathropus. I found this lumpen this morning outside the dormitory, bathing like a builder. I saw you outside there. Stand in the light, stand in the light. Let them see you. I heard him speak vernacular. He said, "Wait." Yes. Dambia, I have warned you countless times. And every time I talk to you about this vernacular issue, you tell me the prefects are lying. But today, I caught you with my own ears, full stop. And now, I am going to use you as an example. For the rest of the school to know what happens when a head filled with local languages, like a rotten tomato, is going to be extricated and pulled out of here. Kneel down, kneel down. Don't even look at me. Stupid. Speech prefect.
Yes, sir.
Go to my office.
Yes, sir.
Check under the Uganda flag there. Bring out all our punishment kits. All of them. All of them. Hurry up. Hurry up. Bring. Start with that one. Bring the sack. Dambia, where it right now? Where it? Where the sack? We don't have time. Dambia, you can't even wear a sack. Wear the poster. Hurry up. Hold that bone. You are a man. So this week, the sisal sack, the bone, and the vernacular poster will belong to Dambia of Senior 1. And I want you to wear them up to the end of class today. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Start hopping like a frog. What do the words on the poster say?
I speak vernacular. I am stupid.
Lecter!
I speak vernacular. I am stupid.
Now stand straight. Stretch out your arms. Rotate. Clockwise. You don't, Turn. What do the words say?
I speak vernacular. I am stupid.
Again?
I speak vernacular. I am stupid.
School. This is a warning to the other Dambias out there. John Speak High School is not a school for you. Go kneel at my office and carry the literature book and dictionary on top of your head. Now, another reason we called this emergency assembly school is to introduce you to our new school anthem that you will sing every morning before class begins and every afternoon at the end of class, so that we can keep this disease of vernacular speaking once and for all out of John Speak High School. Full stop. Full
Stop.
Speech prefect,
Yes, sir.
come and teach them the new alphabet. Have a nice week.
The class is vernacular speaking is so peculiar. Speaking vernacular makes you a failure. Vernacular speaks on failure criteria. Speaking vernacular makes you feel inferior. Vernacular and English, you can't even compare. Speaking vernacular makes you a failure. When you speak vernacular, you end up a failure. When you speak vernacular, you end up a failure. So, no speaking vernacular in this school. No speaking vernacular in this school. No speaking vernacular in this school. No speaking, no speaking, no speaking, no speaking, no speaking vernacular in this school. No speaking vernacular in this school. No speaking vernacular in this school. No speaking, no speaking, no speaking, no speaking, no
Speaking vernacular.
In this school.
We don't speak vernacular.
in this school. So, any other person with any vernacular speech defaulters,
I have the list.
please bring them.
I follow them while they're going back home.
Is your name Pat?
No?
Any other person?
I'm straight.
The list is there.
Stupid boy.
Okay, thank you very much. You're not Pat?
No. I found those girls, they were speaking vernacular over break.
Okay. So if I mention your name, you come forward and leave. Muhumuza Noah,
Toilet.
Christian Bahisi,
Sick bay.
Seka Sambu Vincent,
Sick.
Kagai Peter,
School fees.
Howard Chimbugwe,
Toilet. Absent.
Jonathan Ileri,
Kitchen.
Angunda Bridget,
Home.
Bianca Mapower.
Osho.
Okay, now this is another breach of one of the school rules and regulations. If you know you have a friend who has dodged this emergency assembly this morning, tell them to see me before lunch today. Otherwise, I am going to forward this list to the head teacher's office, and we all know how this will go down. I hope I'm clear. Aman, you can go to class.
Please move to class. Hurry up. The time is over. You are taking a time.
Let's go to class.
Move to class. Hurry up. Please rush to class. We don't want Mr. Musto to come and find us. But you,
Yeah?
did you see the way they handled it
Who?
down there? Can you imagine that boy? That boy was speaking vernacular to me.
But can you listen to your accent?
I know why you are defending him.
Defending who?
It is because you love him.
Love who?
You love Dambia. He wrote to you a love letter with the love as the L-O-V-U.
Do I even know the meaning of love at this age?
L-O-V-U. L-O-V-U.
I don't know where the, you're getting the things you're talking
W.
about.
Sit. You have Kajanja even in class.
Isn't that vernacular?
No, it's a new word. What did you say? Did you see the list of new words? It's a new word.
You girls stand warning.
It's a new word.
Gambia needs partners.
It's a new word.
Speech prefect, did you hear that word?
It's a new word.
Timekeeper, keep time.
You keep quiet, even.
I don't have a pen.
But can you imagine? Dambia was speaking it to me in vernacular.
Don't make noise for us. You think you're what?
I'm the time prefect.
You think you're the queen?
You are the time prefect, not speech prefect.
This is
Silence.
Class.
Look at this.
Time will stand no one. Over talk and look.
Get out your English. Get out of your English grammar books. I'm going to dictate.
Pardon?
Who gave you the work?
Straight, your arms straight.
Which teacher gave you the work?
Question number 1. John Speak High School. Sorry. John Speak is a secondary school. Full stop.
There is a...
How can you come to work? Eh?
Dictate if you are dictating, go.
John Speak High School is a secondary school.
How do you come to class without saying hey? I forgot you. Leave us alone.
John Speak High School. John Speak is a secondary school. Full stop.
How come you never forgot?
Rewrite the following sentence beginning with no sooner.
Who gave you this
Question
work?
number 2. Students don't speak vernacular.
You're the least.
They are dictating.
Pardon?
Students don't speak vernacular.
You are very fast.
Rewrite the following sentence beginning with either.
I told you to hold these books up straight. What's wrong with you? Put them down here. Put them down here.
Question number 3.
I want you to go and look for your parents and bring him here right now. And you come for your suspension, okay? Don't come back here if you don't.
Question number 3.
Your parents.
I saw you going to the market. I saw you going to the market.
You saw.
Begin the sentence with the market.
What? Repeat the whole question.
Question number 4.
You're too
Who
slow.
gave you the work?
Question number 4.
You have better readers.
Musoke is a boy, he is tall, he is dark skinned, he comes from Rwanda.
Mustoke is Rwandese.
Musoke is a boy, he is tall, he is dark skinned, he comes from Rwanda. Join the sentence following. Following without using and or and either.
What are you saying?
Our theme this year is Team No Sleep. Team No Sleep. So I do not expect any
Even
teacher
who gave you the work?
to sleep until this school is at the model of modernity.
Present, future, past tense.
Present, future, past tense.
But for us to bring this modernity to this school, we must come together and fight this growing disease of vernacular speaking. And we must fight it.
Past, future, past tense.
We must fight it. We must fight it. Now this morning, I called this boy Danny. Speaking vernacular. He said, boy,
Go back to your place.
Present, future, past tense.
Present,
future, past tense.
Present, future, past, future tense.
Present, future, past tense.
do you know what is even more annoying? What is more offensive? Some of you teachers here also are vernacular speakers.
Present, future, participle
For
tense.
example, you, Mr. Kakai. I heard you speak Lusoga on the telephone, on the school premises.
Present, future, past, participle tense.
Present, future, past
Leave the
tense.
school
What is
premises
contest?
Me, I'm not saying
and
your,
can't exhaust yourself.
your accent is
But
really.
we shall not allow teachers.
Who gave you
to
the
start
work?
breaking
You
our own
picked it
rules
over
and
with the
regulations.
teachers.
Behave, you children.
Some of you teachers here, you speak vernacular here in the staff room, and I can hear you all the way from my office.
For you people, you don't read.
But that is not enough.
Your neighbor.
Vernacular speaking.
Some of you
Speaking vernacular.
speak
You say the key.
vernacular
You called me
with
a
students.
I was.
How can you be stupid to that level? How can a teacher and a student have the same brain? This vernacular issue is going to get some people here in this room fired if you think I am joking.
about this boy Dambia. I called him myself. Myself! Same. But how come none of you teachers had ever called him before? Did it have to take the whole headmaster to get him? And to get him, I had to get out all my tactics. I tiptoed like this. And this. And I tiptoed like this. Like this. Up to behind this dormitory. And I stood there for 30 minutes, waiting for him to speak vernacular. And finally I got him. Finally I did. How come some of you teachers have never been able to catch him? Now, I am going to use Dambi as an example to show the others that here at John Speak High School, we are serious about this language issue. I have told him to go and bring his parents to come and keep his suspension, so that we can agree on this once and for all. Either he leaves his local languages at home, or he leaves this school once and for all. Full stop. Full stop. As I wind up, teachers, our theme and target this year is all about scoring highly in the national exam. And what does that mean? No speaking vernacular in this school. 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 No speaking. You speak vernacular. You are peculiar. You are unfamiliar. You're just embarrassing civilization. Embarrassing civilization. When you speak vernacular, you are a villager, you are a commoner, you're just embarrassing civilization. You're embarrassing civilization. So, if you want to be the speaking John Speak at John Speak High School, embrace civilization. Embrace civilization. So, no speaking vernacular. No speaking vernacular. No speaking vernacular. No speaking. Have a great week.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. If I did that one, now I know A, B, C, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay, how about? I am going to chase you out of my class if you're not serious. Pull up your socks. 54%. Susan Chuguli, I am going to chase you out of my future class if you are not serious. 60%. Second Adnan. You have potential. You never can get nothing. But never to dominate from 80 to 70%. Come. Be serious next time. Kafia Farima. Hurry up. Look at you. I used to have great ambitions in you now. C. 60%. You don't deserve literature. Go. You are about to speak vernacular. You are about to speak vernacular. Say the next word and I hear. Sit. Sit. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mr.
I told you, if I hear anyone call me Mr. Full Stop, I shall expel you from this school. Full stop. Full stop. Full stop. Are you ready to study literature?
Very ready.
Yes, sir.
30%. Have your paper. 40%. 30%. 60%.
Sir.
40%. 50%. 30%. 30%.
Failure.
You want to challenge your teacher? Go. I'll send you to UNEB. 30%. 40%. 40%. I want you to look at your paper as if it is your mirror. Understand that it is reflecting the true essence of who you are at this point in time. I don't like some of you. How can you accuse me of bias? No. Don't me. Blame yourself. 70% good.
This one is changing the marks.
Who is changing the marks?
This one.
She's writing.
Who is changing the marks?
This one. She has changed the marks to 80 from 30.
Look at you. You. Don't worry. I have the correct answers there. If I find that you have indeed changed your marks, now look at you. Okay. You can even dress a face here. Be happy. Be happy. If it is the 80 that makes you happy, but indeed your brain can get you to only 30, it's up to you. 68%, 70%, 30%. I stole your marks. Complain after class. So, please, everyone look at your paper. Everyone look at your paper. Like I said, it is your mirror at this moment. It is the true reflection of the beauty that you hold. The 30% is what God gave you. So accept it. Accept it. So, are you ready to study literature now? Do I have to repeat what I just repeated on assembly also?
No, sir.
Because you heard me right. If I get any of you speaking vernacular, especially in my literature class, you'll suffer ×2 the fate of that boy down. But you see, class, the good thing is that English is an international language. It can make you travel. To where? To British Columbia, to Canada, to Saskatchewan. What are you talking about? You are jumping in the answer. And then the other thing is with English, you will learn. You will be able to learn. Because, I mean, look at all the books we teach you. In what language are they? In English. So, make my class easy. Okay? If you are going to study literature, speak only English. Only English. Only English. Okay. Please open your books and let me see your notes that you have been copying. Please open your books, open your books, open your books. Please, let me see your notes. Excuse me. Let me see your book. Let me see your book. Let me see your notes. What? Okay, fine. Yes. And I saw you even answer the first question. Let me see. You even answered it. But you didn't answer this simple one. You did. Class, what is this? What is the title of the poem I gave you?
Not speaking vernacular.
What is the title?
Not speaking vernacular.
What is it about?
Not speaking vernacular.
Can you even write that? At least you write that. Let me see yours. Let me see your book. Is this how you spell the word onomatopoeia? Is this how you spell the word onomatopoeia? You don't know the spelling. What are you doing at John Speak High School?
Teacher, that one is a dog.
No wonder. You are the right one. You are the correct one.
Teacher, we only speak, not write.
Who has my stick?
It's a doja.
Who has my stick?
The doja.
You don't come for my lessons. You don't come for my lessons.
Cut class.
Class monitor, write down her name. Right away. And make sure that you bring it to me after class. You don't want me to look at your book. Geography, physics, English. Where are your literature notes? Where's your novel?
I left it in Dome.
You left it in Dome.
A friend borrowed it.
A friend borrowed it. Go and lie down there. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Don't even waste my time. Lie down there. Lie down. I want your head flat on the ground. Lie down right now. How can you come to my literature class without your books?
Nasuna.
Can you go to your garden without your class? Can you go to your garden without your...
No.
How can you come to your literature, my literature class, without your books?
Past, future, past tense.
Class. I say this all the time. If you want to pass my subject, what do you do?
Carry your books, copy your notes, sharpen your tongue, pronounce your pronouns, sing your syntax,
and just like that,
you are civilized.
and just like that,
You are civilized.
and just like that,
You are civilized.
I say it again. If you want to pass literature, what do you do?
Carry your books, copy your notes, sharpen your tongue, pronounce your pronouns, sing your syntax, the hard copy text, to pass on the plot of the mental guitar.
And just like that,
You are civilized.
oh, just like that,
We are civilized.
oh, just like that,
We are civilized.
oh, just like that.
We are civilized.
Now you, can you even make that rhyme in your mother tongue?
Never.
Eh? Is there even literature in your mother tongue? Is there literature in your mother tongue?
Begin the market.
Look at you. Now what do I do for such students? You come to the class without books and you expect to study anything?
Teacher, forgive me.
Let me tell you something.
For you over.
If you don't have books, you are empty like a tin. I say this all the time. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up. You think we have your time? I want you to look for the doors. Tell him, I told him to select for you another class. I don't want you in mine. I teach students, not empty tins. Out! 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 Please, open your books. I have notes to give you.
Please forgive me, sir. Please. My mother said she will buy me a book on VD. Please forgive me for the sake of my future. English is the future. English is the literature. English is literature. Literature is English. Please. Please forgive me for the sake of my future. Please, sir, forgive me. Please, sir.
Teacher, hang him.
Please forgive me, sir. Please forgive me for the sake of my future. I want to study literature.
You're stupid. You come and see.
Dambia,
Yes, sir.
who is this?
My uncle.
You are Dambia's uncle. Why you send him home? Kneel down quickly. Kneel down. Carry the books on top of your head. Hurry. Even the dictionary. You are Dambia's uncle.
Wama.
But we only wanted to talk to his parents because this Dambia has committed a very serious crime. But what?
Yes, he has made a girl pregnant. What has he done?
It is only people make pregnant to you that commit serious crimes. I am telling you.
Great. Okolachi one.
Yes. 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 My son. Sir. Now, you are my friend. Good. Fantastic. Fantastic.
Give me your stick. Give me your stick.
Wait. Did you just say?
Category Sebo.
Did you just say?
Dambia, wait. I am taking my son away.
Sir, please hurry. Because
Jangu
we're expelling both you and him. I don't want you to ever come back here at this school. At John Speak. Go out of my school. I'm telling you, get out of my school right now. If I ever see you here again, you want to fight me? 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 Let me tell you something, younger man. This school is only for the civilized. If I ever see you here, perambulating with your vernacular letters, you will get down the school. And you down there. If I ever see you here at school, you will know why a dog has no bones. Stupid. I have left school. If I find you in the school premises, you will see.
Have you seen what has happened?
Where are you? I speak vernacular. I am stupid. Kare yo sini taxi, pentameter, bonisi. Zambia? Nyambala ntya amagumba. Nze Zambia. Nze nnyo okwambala eggumba. Aha. Wewe. Mujeye tao ya mwe. Nze msomesa mwa mpya. Tugenda soma Uganda. You are speaking vernacular. You are speaking vernacular. I am not Dambia. Nze musomesa Dambia. Tugenda soma Uganda. Kandite kiboko yange. Oluzungu lufuusa oluzungu. Oluzungu kalukaali. Dambia English. Ababire. Tamu egenda n'ebyayo tamu. Tamu egenda n'ebyayo tamu. Tamu egenda n'ebyayo tamu. I hear astonished. Tamu egenda n'ebyayo tamu.
Do you even know what it means?
You have, we even have the letter.
Shut up.
Tamu egenda n'ebyayo tamu. Tamu egenda n'ebyayo tamu.
But can you believe me? He said you
He's not a thief. He's not a thief.
He's everything bad.
Why are you defending Dambia?
Because what?
Dambia is
You don't know where your property. I don't want to be there.
Tamu egenda n'ebyayo.
And it is your problem. It is your problem.
Go and help your boyfriend.
Your boyfriend. Why did you teach him?
Tamu egenda n'ebyayo tamu.
He's there. Remember,
Tamu egenda n'ebyayo. Tamu egenda n'ebyayo. Tamu egenda n'ebyayo.
Dambia sound.
Tamu egenda n'ebyayo. Tamu. Excuse me, you girl. Excuse me, you girl. Give me for your place.
Dambia, that's vernacular. Okay, what?
Wama. Papa on the boy. Give me for your pen.
Dambia, speaking vernacular.
Natural. You fear a lot you also. What was some Mozungo Bamuabachi?
But education is also practiced after school.
Education is practice after. Zebia don't you miss that? Be very good. Full stop and go here.
Full stop? I mean, Mr. Full Stop has ears everywhere. He could hear you right now. Shh.
Akolechi. You fear a lot you also. Forgive me for your pen.
Dambia, me, I don't want to be caned like you. I don't want to be beaten.
Never so miss Avagua.
What? Teachers are failures? You're not even serious. Dambia, get back to your senses.
Never so miss Babua.
Dambia, I don't want to be beaten like you.
Eligezo. Bakupeni yo nawe.
Take. I don't want to be beaten like you. Take.
Tamu egenda n'ebyayo tamu. Tamu egenda. Tamu egenda n'ebyayo tamu. Tamu egenda. Tamu. Tamu egenda n'ebyayo tamu. Gambia. Gigi, mwanganya basomesa. Tamu egenda nebyayo. Tamu egenda nebyayo, tamu. Tamu egenda nebyayo. Tamu egenda nebyayo, tamu.
Damn, give me for some food.
Bakala peni. Tamu egenda nebyayo, tamu. Tamu egenda nebyayo, tamu. C'est qui va naturel. Que c'est pas le joli. Tamu egenda nebyayo, tamu. Nga tekigira sima tekinagira naye kyagize. Tamu egenda nebyayo, tamu. Tamu egenda nebyayo. N'ekyengevu naye kindwisa. Ate tamu egenda nebyayo yakirya.
Damn. Is that how you use a pen? Is this what you're using a pen for?
Pardon?
Dambia, what future do you have if that's what you use a pen for? You're so stone age. Ew.
Anti otyanye emiggo kikipeni kyo kikyo.
Such an early man.
Sangendo sanyuse full stop.
Aliman.
Aleman Dambia.
Aleman Dambia.
Aleman Dambia. Aleman Dambia. Aleman Dambia.
Aleman Dambia. Aleman Dambia. Aleman Dambia. Where's the school uniform? Aleman Dambia. Aleman Dambia. Aleman Dambia.
Aleman Dambia.
Aleman Dambia. Aleman Dambia. Aleman Dambia. Aleman Dambia. English is the future.
Aleman Dambia.
Aleman Dambia. English is the future. Aleman Dambia. Aleman Dambia. Singapore Dambia. 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 Aleman Dambia. 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 Dambia.
Dambia.
You should speak English.
Come on, Dambia. What's wrong?
Oluzungu butwa.
Man,
Oluzungu lumere munzisa.
stop catching feelings. You know me, I'm your bad day.
Come on, Dambia. Stop resisting English. You only joke.
We're joking. Oluzungu butwa. Oluzungu lumere munzisa.
Come on, Dambia. This is a small issue. Just be cool. Ignore everyone. Ignore these guys.
Just civilization.
You see,
English is civilization.
even Vasco da Gama spoke English.
Come on.
Kera kumachane nabe ntumbwe. Nengenda kusikulu okusoma.
Come on, Dambia.
Kusikulu waliyo ebisanyusa.
Don't you want to be like that? Why?
Ginger Tropas.
Waliyo okubaala n'okuwandiika.
Oh my God.
This is going to be high school.
Come on, Dambia.
Dambia tamanyigu.
Okay, now Dambia, don't say that.
I mean,
Ne bw'asiba empale otenyuma. Resisting it, Dambia.
Okay, you come. You come here.
Come on, relax, bro. Relax, man.
Yes. Yes.